Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever needed to issue a refund or adjust an invoice in QuickBooks, today's video is exactly what you need. I'm going to show you step by step how to create a credit note in QuickBooks. Full guide. Whether you're running a small business or managing accounts for clients, this will make your workflow faster and cleaner. So let's get straight into it. First off, what's a credit note? A credit note in QuickBooks is basically a document you issue to a customer when you need to refund money, correct a billing error, or apply a discount to an already issued invoice. It helps keep your records balanced and your customers happy. Now, QuickBooks Online, the platform we'll be using, is a cloud-based accounting system, which means you can manage your finances, expenses, and payments from anywhere as long as you're connected to the internet. Super convenient, right? Alright, let's walk through the process. Start by logging into your QuickBooks Online account. Head over to the top right corner, click Sign In, and enter your email and password. Once you're inside your QuickBooks dashboard, click on the New or Create button. You'll find it on the left-hand side. From the drop-down menu, select Credit Note or Credit Memo. This opens up a blank credit note form ready for you to fill in. Next, assign the credit note to the correct customer. You can either type their name or select it from the drop-down list. This ensures the adjustment goes to the right account. Then, add the products or services being credited. Just like you would when creating an invoice, double check your tax settings, especially if the original invoice had taxes included, so the refund or adjustment is accurate. Once you've reviewed all the details, click Save and Send. You'll get a preview of the credit note. Make sure everything looks perfect, and then hit Send and Close. That's it. The credit note is now sent and your records are fully updated, and there you have it. Creating a credit note in QuickBooks Online is that simple. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more QuickBooks tips, and drop a comment if you want me to cover other QuickBooks features next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.